In a bold move to enhance road safety, Canada has introduced stringent regulations prohibiting eating while driving. This initiative, aimed at reducing distracted driving incidents, comes with hefty penalties that can reach up to $10,000. As drivers navigate the bustling streets, the temptation to grab a quick bite can lead to serious consequences, not only for the driver, but for everyone on the road. The regulations set forth by Canadian authorities are a direct response to the alarming statistics surrounding distracted driving. Eating while driving often takes attention away from the road, increasing the risk of accidents significantly. According to safety experts, even a few seconds of distraction can result in tragic outcomes. By eliminating the practice, the government hopes to foster a culture of responsible driving and save lives. It's a move that reflects a growing commitment to public safety over convenience. In promoting this new law, officials emphasize the importance of making safe choices. They encourage drivers to plan their meals before hitting the road or to take a moment to pull over safely to enjoy their food. The introduction of such regulations sparks a larger conversation about the habits of drivers today. The modern lifestyle, which often prioritizes speed and efficiency, must find a balance with the necessity of safety. As the government pushes for change, communities are called upon to support these efforts by adhering to the new rules and promoting road safety initiatives. The financial implications of these new regulations are significant. Not only do violators face tough fines, but repeated offenses may lead to even harsher penalties, including license suspensions. This serves as a strong deterrent, ensuring that drivers think twice before taking that first bite behind the wheel. Public reaction to the new law has been mixed, with some praising the government's proactive stance on safety, while others express concern about strict enforcement and the culture of driving. Ultimately, these regulations represent a critical step towards safer roads in Canada. Although changing driving behaviors will take time, the commitment to alleviate the consequences of distracted driving is underway. As Canada embarks on this journey to enforce new norms, it invites all drivers to pause and consider their actions behind the wheel, recognizing that safety must always come first. Stay safe and respect the law. Subscribe to Always Mabel Canada and click the notification bell to get notified every time there's new uploaded videos.